Good morning, and good afternoon to every lovely viewers who's watching the video. And welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Binance no permission. So basically what no permission means is, as it says no permission, you try to open Binance and it's going to say no permission, or if you try to perform an action like buying or selling crypto, Binance is going to say you don't have permission to do that, or anything else. Alright? So if you're facing the problem, you guys are at the right video, because in our channel, Tech It Simple, we teach you guys how we guys can fix a problem. But before I tell you guys how big guys can fix your problem, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple for future videos just like this. Unless you have I did a video without any further ado, there's multiple reasons behind this problem. And I'm going to be telling you guys how the guys can fix this. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, as I said, just don't forget to hit the like and sub. Let's move on. First app for Android user, you can hold on your bindings icon, click on App Info. Once you go on App Info, you want to go on versus permissions, just click on permissions. Once you click on permission, make sure to turn on all this permissions. Now after you turn on all this permission, try to open your bindings again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, the next thing you need to check if your internet connection is slow or not. Sometimes due to slow internet connection bind and simply says no permission due to some like uncertainty. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And other thing is make sure your bindings is up to date. Sometimes you just forget to update your bindings for a long period of time. And there is a bug that causes you this problem. So make sure to update your bindings, check your internet, turn on all the permissions, your problem should be fixed. The other thing is just delete your Binance, reinstall it again. If all the things I said until now they didn't work, the only thing you need to do is delete Turbinates, reinstall it again, re-login in German, it's gone and it should open up. And if it still doesn't work, then the thing could be that Binance is undergoing maintenance. So Binance is basically an app and sometimes the app goes under maintenance, which means it's gone undergoing some repairs. Alright. So basically if you're trying to open Binance or trying to log in into account when it's undergoing maintenance, it's not going to work. The only way to fix this problem is to wait. So if it is under maintenance, then you need to wait. If it is slow internet connection, change your internet use data. And if Binance is not up to date, make sure to update it and make sure to turn on all the permissions. It should work. So that's how we guys can fix your bonus no permission. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple. See you guys next time. Bye.